Let's make a quarter square triangle. You will need 4 pieces of fabric, 2 backgrounds, and 2 different colors. Layer each color on top of one background square. Then you will draw a diagonal down each layered piece. Once the diagonal is drawn, take it to your sewing machine and sew 1/4 inch on either side of the diagonal line. Cut apart, and then you will press towards the background piece. Once they are pressed towards the background piece, you will then layer the opposing colors on top and make sure that the seams are nesting with one another nice and smoothly. Once they are nested, you will then take the piece and draw another diagonal line across the center on both pieces. Once that diagonal line is drawn, you will now sew 1/4 inch on either side, cut through the diagonal again, and press open. You will have 4 pieces which you now will need to square up by cutting on the right side, then the top, rotating the block, cutting again on the right side and the top, and you now have a perfect hourglass block.